Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to do this look. Now, as you will progress into this video, you will understand why I laughed, because this is my second attempt to do a doll eye makeup, and yeah, like it took me a lot of time today. Like I'm super late. Abhi tak mera wrap up ho jana chahiye tha, but I'm just shooting the very first video and I have to shoot 2 more, and yeah, it took me a lot of time. Also, all the products that I've used will be given in the description box for you to check out. And another thing that I wanted to say was, so I chose this doll look today, right? The reason being, I think the first look that we did, the siren eye look, I think that look is a little bit complicated, and if you don't have the proper finesse and skills, it might end up not looking so good, right? But this one is pretty easy. It's very easy. Like you will see, I have hardly used much eyeshadow. It's like very simple, very subtle, like only the glitter portion. Other than that, there is just one color like throughout happening and everything. So yeah, definitely that. You will see this is a very simple look, and there is this one double wing thing happening that is making it look like a doll. That's it. So I think this is a fairly simple look. This is the look I think it will take you hardly 10-15 minutes to complete, right? If you keep it together, unlike me. Yeah, keeping it together part is most important for 10-15 minute ka timeline. Let me just take you to the tutorial, okay? Let's go. So base makeup is already done. It is extreme, okay? The blush is extreme, the contour, I think you can't see it beneath the blush, but yeah, extreme contour was done. And I think the most important part was the blush part, because see, dolls are caricaturish, right? They are like cartoons and everything, and yeah, I think it is very on theme for me to have a lot of blush, because doll, okay? And yeah, the base that I have done today, it is very similar to the base that I have done for Ratnavati's look, and very similar to the one that I did for Siren Eye look, right? And I will just link it in the description box if you want to check out, because it's nothing special, so I didn't do it all over again. I didn't want to make it like a 30-hour long video, right? And let's get into the palette now. Okay, hi guys, there is a certain change in the strategy. Now you see, I actually shot the look, right? And I didn't like how the lower lash line was going, and you see I was working with glitters, and as I wiped the lower lash line, all the glitter, it started going inside of my eyeball, and I have no mood of visiting an eye doctor and, you know, having an eye patch for next 3 days, because my eye would be hurt. So we are changing strategies. No more glitter, and I'm changing the palette as well. So I am using this Pastel Paradise palette, and there is this very rosy compartment, right? And also there is this very fall based brown colors. These are the colors that we are going for, and I'm going to change the look a little bit, okay, because I couldn't do what I wanted to do. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to do a more mauvey look, a little bit more neutral, right? Let's do it. So we are going in with this shade. Let's start off with this one. Can you see it? No, you can't. This shade, right? And I'm going to take it on the lash line. I'm going to keep it very easy. I did so much for the first look. You can see the design. I thought, अब इसको पूरा ही क्या साफ करना है, इसके ऊपर एक और eyeliner आ तो जाएगा ही. And I'm going to take a bigger, fluffier brush, and let's take a little bit more neutral color. Let's take this one, right? And we are going to blend, I think this, and also a little bit of this. Let's keep it both orangey, rosy, neutral, whatever we can. You guys, I have zero clue what I'm doing now. The strategy that I used and the look I was trying to do, looks like my skills for it are not up to the mark. So let's do something else. This one looks more red. Let's make it a little orange. These two pink colors, right? And let's place it over here. From half of the lash line, in the very cat eye shade that I usually do. You know what brushes can't fix, your fingers will always fix that. Yeah, let's go in with the shimmer shade now. What shimmer shade do I want to use? Go in with this one. I don't know why I took this. Let's just take it. Oh yeah, better. I like it. It just gives the rosiness a little bit of neutralness. Let's go in with the eyeliner. A good thick retro wing is what I want to go for. Now my wing today, I usually take my wing quite from here, but I'm taking a little bit upar se because I want to make a double wing. Okay, yeah, the strategy. And yeah, I'm just a little I don't know what I did, but I did. Let me do it on this other eye as well. Yeah, let me just complete this. I mean, I just want to fix the wing situation, then we'll come to the lower lash line. You know what? Let me do this thing. Let me just take the white eyeliner and I'll just apply it in between the two wings. It will just give it that sharpness, right? And then we can fix the black ones later if we want. I'm just taking a brown pencil and just applying it on the lash line. And I am taking all those rosy tones again, right? I'm just going to buff it in the lash line and taking a little bit of brown. And I'm just going to smudge these two colors. And I'm just taking it thoda sa idhar bhi, you know, so that it just looks very meshed up. I'm taking a very tiny brush and I'm taking this particular color, a very, you know what I mean. Just giving a very quite cute pop. So those two colors were not working and I switched to this particular color. Can you see this one? I just applied it and I think it just gives it, you know, it just gives whatever I wanted. Yep. Let's just apply a mascara, finish this look with lashes because there is nothing else I can do to save this now. I think that this is the max I could have done. So this is the final look, you guys. I think at the end, you know, when it all got together, it definitely looks like a doll. I'm happy. I think I'm glad. Coming about the lipstick, this is the Starstruck Sunny Leone lip gloss in cinnamon. Whatever the products that I have used will be given in the description box, so you can check them out without any, you know, confusion and hesitation. I think that would be the easier way. And yes, guys, turn yourself into the doll. And yeah, happy Halloween, right? So yeah, please the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.